a tornado? Rain and hail.
Rain and hail.
If you're in a ditch, listen to me. If you're in a ditch and the water's coming down too hard, what's going to happen to you? You're going to drown. So it's not going to do you any good, is it?
No.
So you need to go to a structure, a sound structure. Are you listening? You need to go to a sound structure, right? Shake a little head, yes. Thank you. Now, I'm going to give these guys, I'm going to give y'all one of these. Miss Courtney and Miss Colleen are standing there, and she's going to have you put one item per bag. One item per bag.
Okay. Now you can get one of these or one of these. Which one do you want? You want one of these?
Yeah, I'm still mad at the broken.
And then go down to the toothpaste. If they get a child's toothpaste, make sure one of these goes with it. You see what I'm saying? So the child will get.
Okay.
Here you go, Melody.
Stay in line.
You can get one of those or you can get one of these. Only one of each, okay? Now if you take a children, take an adult, there you go. Just like that. Lay it in their flat, Sissy. Two face masks. Got them in pairs, just in case. One of those, good job.
You can.
Just fill that one up.
Get my hand.
You got two face masks? Did you get toothpaste? Did you take, okay.
Ready to go.
Okay.
You want one of these or one of these?
Did you get toilet paper? Gotcha. You need toilet paper? A hand Did you get a hand sanitizer, Sissy? Okay. And make sure when you take your toothbrush. Okay, we'll fix it.
You're gonna stand there as well.
No, you are. You are.
No, I'm getting this.
Oh, no, I got it all.
Did you get a bar soap? Okay, you take one toothpaste, one toothbrush, and one of those for them to put your toothbrush inside.
Yes.
There you go. And then you got face masks.
Face
Those.
And a washcloth.
You get hand sanitizer and soap, Sissy? You did? You got hand sanitizer and soap, and then a wash rag. You let him get his own. You don't know him. What kind of soap?
Yeah, girl.
There you go. You got face mask. Grab you a toothbrush holder, toothbrush, and get you a wash rag and some Kleenexes, and grab you a comb. Nope, you need two of them, baby. You got hand sanitizer soap, one toothbrush holder, and one toothbrush.
Can you get hand sanitizer and soap?
One hand sanitizer, one soap. Yes, sir.
Come on, guys. You have to fill up all of these.
Wash rag. Right here. You get a wash rag and you get a face mask. And then you get a Kleenex and grab a comb. You got a toothbrush and a toothbrush holder. Get you a comb that you're sitting on right there for me. One of the combs that your bags are sitting on. Just grab a comb and put it in there.
Wait a minute. Oh man, you saw what my thing said. You're gonna pause it, see what it said.
Nope, nope.
You get a wash rag?